anger and what makes you angry? For Paolo, Chris, Sid, and Ren.
Ako, isa sa mga weak point ko yan eh. Mabilis ako magalit. So, yung question was kung paano kinahandle yung anger ko, no? So, wala. Through experience, kailangan maging rational na tao. So, kasi mabilis ako pumitik, hindi lang halata, pero mabilis ako pumitik. Siguro dahil sa mga pinagdaanan ko rin sa buhay, mabilis ako mag-react. Pero, so far, naging rational naman ako about it. So parang pagpili ko lang ito. Depende yan, choice mo. Kung magiging rational ka or irrational. So
no anger management problem?
Dati nung bata ako meron, pero ngayon wala na yata. Wala na yata, baby, no? Wala na.
Depende.
Kaya ako nga yun. So yeah. Depende sa situation siguro sa mga taong involved. Pero honest about it, medyo mabilis ako pumitik. Yeah, ayun.
Ako, Virgo kasi ako eh. Pag Virgo, di ba, mapagpasensya. So, same din to experience. So, especially pag family na, yung tinitira, yung ganyan. So dito sa film na to, actually, thankful ako kay Direk Zai kasi pag talagang, magalit ka, mga ganun. So, alam mo yun, isa rin siya talaga sa tumutulog na ilabas mo yung galit mo, ganyan. And, ayun nga, iniisip ko na lang din yung mga past experiences na, ayun nga, ganun, pinagdaanan ko.
Oh my God, where do we start? I have a really bad temper. It's really bad. Like, I went to anger management. I've hurt people. If I had a fight, let's say with my girlfriend, I can't punch her. Every car, from my car to the bar, butas lahat ng tires niyo. Hindi ko naman siya masaksak, so kotse niyo na lang lahat. Seryoso, it was really bad. This is a long time ago. Yeah. There was this one time I was having a fight with my girlfriend and then I needed to pee. So I went to a gas station and peed and then this guy goes, "Pwede ba picture?" I punched him so hard his eyeball burst. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It was really bad. So I went to anger management and then I found out it wasn't really anger management. I was just taking too much substances. Yeah, and then you grow up and then you realize that the world's bigger than yourself and your own ego. And then you realize things that your friend says that, IQ over EQ, right? I think that's actually why we have a problem creating smart characters here, because everything has to be dramatic. If you're a smart character, there's no drama, diba? But anyway, I learned to handle everything better. I think my ego was the biggest problem. I was angry about everything, and I didn't like how, especially stupidity. Stupidity pisses me off. Like, kunyari, as I said, it's 2 o'clock, your cutoff is 2 o'clock, and you're about to go home, you're expected to go home and it's 1:30, and then they'll say, "Sid, we'll just take this one scene, it's only a 2-minute scene." And then I'm looking at that person, I'm like, but it takes an hour to set up, so what are you talking about? That really pisses me off. So example again, traffic, blah blah blah. And then you learn to take a breath and step back. And like I said kanina, you learn that, the world's bigger than yourself, your daughter's born. You realize that every action that you make is going to ripple down generations.
So your daughter was one of the
one of the biggest things. Time was one of them. Meeting the people around me, omitting people around me. Yeah, I had a snapping spree when I didn't like a person. I just go kaplak. I felt like it was medicine.
You never landed in jail naman?
Yeah, recently lang. Siguro parang past, like real zen, maybe past 3 years. Before that, it was just me trying to be normal. Now I can say I think I'm okay.
Thank you for your honesty.
I think I'm okay, because I'm getting jobs. And people love me.
By the way, in regards to your mom, she was my batchmate.
Hey?
Yes.
Oh my God, cool.
She was a campus queen.
Yeah, she's beautiful. Yeah. But my answer to your question has everything to do with the very first question that was asked, actually. I haven't been lying about anything. But thank you for that.
Thank you.
Gusto ko lang po dagdagan yung sinabi ni Sid, no? Gusto ko pong i-chismis sa lahat ng tao na nandito ngayon. Sinabi ko po ito kay Direk Albert, kay Direk Zayo. Tungkol sa'yo. Si Sid po ngayon, kung nasan man siya ngayon state ng buhay niya, ito po yung pinakamaaliwalas niya, pinakamagaan. Diba? As in, parang may something na, basta ang aliwalas na ngayon, hindi po siya, akala niyo sinasaltik siya or pumipitik siya sa set. Hindi po. Hindi na siya ganun ngayon. As in, may light. May ray of light na
Transform.
Oo. As in, diba? Ayun lang. Gusto ko na i-share sa lahat. And ako naman, dun po sa question niyo po, Miss Dolly, masyadong malaking word yung galit. Or, kaya para sa akin, hindi po ako madalas napupunta doon sa part na nagagalit na ako or grabe yung nafe-feel ko na galit. Kasi po ako, bago ako magalit, malulungkot muna ako, iiyak muna ako, mag-rant muna ako sa RM ko, magte-text ako ng super haba, kay na Direk Zayo, kay na Direk Albert. Ganun po akong klaseng tao na parang, imbis na magalit ako, sobrang magiging emotional, iiyak ko lang lahat. At once na iiyak ko na, okay na ako doon. Hindi po, madalang po akong umabot sa part na magagalit ako. And thankful naman po ako na hindi po ako ganun ka napupunta doon. Kasi I don't think healthy siya for me. Kasi hindi naman ako diagnosed na may depression or whatsoever. Pero nahihirapan po ako kapag sobra ako nada-down or sobrang intenso na feel ko. So palagi, ang ginagawa ko is kailangan mag-rant ako sa mga tao. Kailangan ilabas ko sa kanila lahat ng nararamdaman ko para matanggal siya. Kasi iba yung nagiging epekto sa akin. Hindi ako nakakapag-function well. So, yun po.
Thank you. For Direk Albert, good to see you, Direk.
It's a long time.
Yeah. If you give your movie a tagline, what would it be? Maybe the producer also and Zion can answer.
Karma is a bitch. Totoo naman talaga, di ba? Kung ano yung gagawin, may babalik din sa'yo. Ganun lang naman talaga yan. So, actually, hindi lang naman sa film, sa buong buhay ko, medyo matagal na rin ako sa mundo. Marami na rin naman ako, sabi ko nga, I did some crazy stuff then. Marami rin naman good deeds din naman. So palaging ang nararamdaman ko, laging may balik eh. May counter, at tawag nito. In every action, there's always a counter reaction. Na minsan talagang padadapain ka, pero yun. And the movie itself, it's really parang the law of karma, kung ano yung sinasabi ron. Parang sinasabi lang ron, kapag nagiganti ka, ang ibabalik sa'yo, pag-iiganti rin. Na sometimes, hindi rin siya magiging madali para sa'yo. Kahit dahil, parang lumud ka sa lupa, di ba? Kasi hindi violence ang sagot sa pag-iiganti. Kung hindi, justice.
Thank you.